Hello guys, how are you all? Today I'm going to teach you all the laws of exponents. So let's start. Laws of exponent. So laws of exponent is very easy if we understand it properly. So please don't skip the video and see it. So let's start. Law number 1 says that A by B, and when I'm taking A by B, it means that A and B are constant. It has no values. Later, I'll even show you with examples. So law number 1 says that A by B to the power n into A by B to the power n is equal to A by B to the power m plus n. So I'll explain you this now. A by B to the power m into A by B to the power n is equal to A by B to the power m plus n. So here, what does this mean? That let's take an example of two numbers. Let's take it to be 10 by 3 into 10 by 3, and this law is applicable when the bases are same. So 10 by 3 to the power 5, say it, let's take it as 5 into 10 by 3 to the power 5, then it will be nothing but 10 by 3 to the power 10. So this is the law number 1, which is as simple as you saw now. Now going ahead to law number 2. So law number 2 is very similar to the law number 1. It says that A by B to the power m, A by B to the power m divided by A by B to the power n is equal to A by B to the power m minus n. A by B to the power m minus n. So let's understand this also with an example. Let's take the same example. 10 by 3 to the power 10, let's say, divided by 10 by 3 to the power 5. So what you do this time is 10 by 3 to the power 10 minus 5, which is nothing but 10 by 3 to the power 5. So it says that taking it as an example, 10 by 3 to the power 10 divided by 10 by 3 to the power 5. So here the bases are common. So here what you do is you just subtract the exponential value, which is 10 minus 5. So you get the answer as 10 by 3 to the power 5. This was also a very easy and simple law. So going ahead to the law number 3. Yeah. So law number 3 says that A by B which is to the power m to the power n is equal to A by B to the power m into n. So let's take an example and understand this. Let's take the same example. 10 by 3 to the power 5 to the power 10 will be nothing but 10 by 3 to the power 5 into 10, which is nothing but 15. So this law says that when a base has two exponent values, one exponent inside the bracket and one exponent outside the bracket, you just need to multiply the inside and outside exponent bracket. So this is about the law number 3, which was also a very simple law. Now let's proceed to the law number 4. So the law number 4 says that a by b to the power minus n is equal to a by b to the power minus n is equal to b by a to the power n. So let's understand this also with a simple example. So let's take the example to be 10 by 3 to the power minus 5. So here 10 by 3 is also same and 5 also same, but there is a twist in this, that is that the exponential form is in negative form, and during solving exponents there should not be any exponents in the negative form. So what you do is you just take the reciprocal of the number 3 by 10 and you give the exponent the positive exponent form, that is 5. So when the law number 4 says that when an exponent form has a minus is in a negative form, then you should take the reciprocal number and make the exponent in the positive form. We should never solve any exponent with its value in negative form. So the last law, that is the 5th one. This is also a very important but simple law. A by b to the power 0. A by b to the power 0. You may be thinking, what will be 0? Is it 0? No, is equal to 1. So let's understand this with an example. So any exponent having the power to be 0, then we give it to be the answer to be 1. So this is the most simplest of all laws. Let's take any number. Let's take it to be 10 by 3 as usual. 10 by 3 to the power 0 is nothing but 1. So any number, any form, 0, if it's given in a 0 form, then the answer should always be 1. So we have come to an end of all the laws, all these easy, simple, and important laws. So let's summarize this whole thing once. So law number 1 says that a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n is equal to a by b to the power m plus n. So it is nothing but 10 by 3 to the power 5 plus 10 by 3 to the power 5 is equal to 10 by 3 to the power 5 plus 5, which is nothing but 10 by 3 to the power 10. So, and this law is applicable, and almost all the laws are applicable when the bases are same. And the second law, which is pretty similar, a by b to the power n divided by a by b to the power n is equal to a by b to the power m minus n. So 10 by 3 to the power 10 minus 10 by 3 to the power 5 is equal to 10 by 3 to the power 5. 10 minus 5, which is 5. Law number 3 says that when an exponent has when a number has one exponent inside the bracket and another exponent outside the bracket, then you multiply both the exponents. 10 by 3 to the power 5 to the power 10 is equal to 10 by 3 to the power 50. That is 10 by 3, 5, 10 by 3 to the power 5 into 10, which is 10 by 3 to the power 50. Law number 4 says that a by b to the power minus n is equal to b by a to the power n. So no number should have the exponent in negative form. So you take the reciprocal of it and make the exponent plus. 10 by 3 to the power minus 5 is equal to 3 by 10 to the power 5. Law number 5. A by b to the power 0 is equal to 1. So any number having its power 0 will be equal to 1. So this was the very easy and simple topic. Hope you understood it. Hope you understood this everything simply. Thank you.